Have you ever wondered how to teach grammar in a way that students will never forget? Well, here's an effective use of an activity that's fun, teaches grammar, and also deals with the functional aspect of grammar all in one. For today's lesson, I picked the first conditional as my grammar point. I'll be focusing on the structure if plus present simple and will plus the base form. But in this case, I'll use a slightly different version of this structure. First of all, I'll switch the order of the condition and the result clause. Then, I'll replace if with as soon as. So the sentences I'm looking for are, I'll go to the grocery store as soon as it stops raining. So basically, I'm having them make promises. I'll split students into pairs, and one will ask the other to do something. But they don't want to do it, so they'll have to promise they will do it later, after a condition is met. Then they'll switch roles so that everyone gets a chance to practice. I would like us to practice this sentence. So if I could have two students come up, Hashim and Eve, could you come up for a minute? Okay, so Hashim, you want Eve to wash the dishes. But Eve, you're watching a movie, so you don't want to do it right now. So what would you say?
You have to do it.
How about, could you
Please do it again?
Could you what? What do you want him to do?
Wash the dishes.
Good. What would you say?
I will wash the dishes as soon as the film is over.
Good. Okay. So right now, write down, you can go ahead and sit down. Go ahead and write down 5 things you want your partner to do. So take out the garbage, wash the dishes, maybe clean the house. Okay? And then we're going to practice in pairs. Okay, so write down a couple of things. Pay things? Maybe pay the bills? Sink? Okay, good, yeah.
Is do the laundry?
Yeah. Okay, now I want you to work with your partners and ask them what you want them to do and then use this sentence and as soon as to reply. Okay, so you two, and you 3. Okay?
Okay. Could you bake on the house?
Yeah, that's the same.
Could you bake on the house? Okay. Yeah. Okay. If
Could you make the lunch?
lunch. I will make the lunch as soon as clean my room. I will clean my room as soon as finish my homework. I'm a good student.
The first conditional is also useful for other functions such as negotiation. For example, you could have students practice making deals such as, if you pay for gas, I'll drive. Or have them practice warnings such as, if we aren't there by 8, we'll miss the movie. And don't forget making future plans. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. The first conditional is extremely versatile structure, and teaching all of its various uses will give your students the tools they need to communicate in many different day-to-day situations.